Assalamualaikum, my students. Behavior, behavior biology. In this time, we will talking about what is nestic movement that exists in the plant world. Maybe you have here nestic movement. As you know, the plants cannot go anywhere, do not move from one place to another, but they also show movement in response to the external stimulus. Uh, so this is what we will discuss now. Nastic movement. What is the movement of plant part in response to the external stimulus, which the direction of response is not determined by the direction of stimulus, is known as nastic movement. I want to remember you again. Respond to the external stimulus in which the direction of response is not determined by the direction of stimulus. This is nastic movement. In other case, maybe you ever hear nesties. This is the characters. And the stimuli may be classified as touch, contact, heat, light, etc. Nastic movement is not a directional movement of the plant part which responds to the stimulus. Remember this? Not directional movement. Nastic movement, from whichever direction the stimulus is applied, it affects all the part of the organ, like flower or leaves, or maybe the roots. I want to give you the example. The leaves of Mimosa pudica, they fall up when you touch the leaves. Here, the stimulus is your touch, and direction not determined by your touch. And then the second example, dandelion flower. The opening up of the petals of this flower in the morning, and then closing at the afternoon or evening. Here the stimulus is like, maybe we can find other stimulus, other types of nastic. Epinastic is downward bending from growth at the top. For example, the bending down of a heavy flower. And then photonasty, this is the response to light. Nyctinasty, movement at night or in the dark. Chemonasty is the response to the chemical or nutrients stimulus. Hydronasty is the response to water. Thermonasty, response to temperature. Seismonasty is the response to the shock. Geonasty or gravinasty is a response to gravity. And Sigmonasty, this is a response to contact. Okay, this is our subject for today. Meet again next week. Thank you, my student. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.